All right, welcome back. Alberto here. We're about to start the session in about 8 minutes, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. As we can see, we're pretty much downtrending. Currently, cumulative delta is to the upside though. Have a pretty balanced profile for the overnight session. We're about to see what happens. We had U.S. trade balance coming out at 8:30, better than expected. Canadian trade balance better than expected too at 8:30. We have 9:45 and 10 a.m. PMI, so that should bring some volatility to the market today. We'll see what happens, but basically we might have to be a little bit careful if things start moving too fast, because we can suffer from slippage, and that's not a good thing, especially when you're going for such small moves. So we'll see what happens, but we're currently sitting at the VWAP, ETH VWAP, and ETH point of control. Right, we have 1 minute left until market open. Pretty much chopping around VWAP and point of control. This is not going anywhere, so let's see what happens right now, and if volatility and price starts moving. But we're currently sitting at around 1,400 contracts positive. We'll see if we can bounce off of the low value area of yesterday and get back into at least the point of control. But like I said before, the profile is pretty balanced, so we'll see if this current value areas will hold. The idea here is looking for zones of consolidation and wait for a retest to continue in that direction. So as of right now, cumulative delta is really looking strong, and price starts to move. Market just opened. We're gonna be waiting for a good setup here. I usually like to wait for a bit until I get a good entry. The big guys are actually making their transactions right now, so price can be a little bit more irrational than usual. That's why most traders that trade open get screwed over. Let's see if we can get the first entry for the day. It's kind of choppy looking, very rangy, pretty much holding in this value area. The profile is looking very balanced right now. If we can get a break of 15,468, I would like to wait for a retest, but we'll see. Cumulative delta kind of trending down, but not too aggressive. Just cleared the swing level. Looking for a potential short there. Although there was a big rejection down here, I don't expect price to really come right now all the way there. Since it's so balanced, it looks like it might come back to the point of control actually. But we'll see what happens right now. had a nice push in delta to the upside. I'm gonna take a long here. After that, imbalance long. Got to stop down. Looking for price to go back into the low value area and break this swing level, but there's not a lot of movement right now. Might be a little bit risky. It's really choppy. No, we're going to target failed. I was looking for that potential imbalance long, but I wanted to retest this pending auction. So for me right now, the point of control and VWAP is a good target. Pretty much trading value right now. We might chop, price might chop until the release, so we might have to wait for another entry. Price is back into the value area, low for yesterday. And potentially going all the way to the point of control. It is sitting at 15,490.25. That could be a good target right now. PMI is coming in 4 minutes, and I think might be a better idea to wait. I don't expect price to move too much until the release. Point of control. pushing to the upside. We have pretty much 1 minute left to the release of the PMI. Expecting a bounce back to 91.25. Let's see if we can get that. Looking for this swing level to be taken out since it's at the open. Yeah, we're just taking it out right now. 15 seconds. It's a potential long setup I would take, but it just came out right now. That would have worked. Nice rotation to the downside, coming back to volume to the VWAP and point of control. Big sell-off. Nice push to the downside overall. Very balanced profile. We're kind of starting to accept higher prices though. Might chop a little bit around this area. Balance short. Let's see if we can get filled to the downside. Buyers coming in right now. Targeting this imbalance. Very choppy area. There we go. I was looking for a bounce of point of control, VWAP, and also breaking. We break that last swing level, which is exactly also this other swing level. Looking for an ABC type of pattern. There were 3 different levels here that kind of gave me confidence, and that combined with the big imbalance. And we have 2 targets really. We have 3 targets: low value area, pending auction, and another imbalance. We also see that cumulative delta is still trending down. The AMI trend is also red, so pretty much only looking for short opportunities. that's kind of what gave me the confidence to take the trade. Also, the rotations, you start seeing they're the same type of rotations, not thinking about it. So, you know, I felt like it was a good trade to take regardless of the outcome. But I have to be honest, trading around VWAP and point of control, you should always expect some sort of chop. So that's something to really be aware of. Other than that, I think this might be it for today. We have another release at 10 a.m. But might wanna close it for the day. Price isn't really moving the way I like it to move. It's very rotational right now. We're in a pretty balanced profile, so to be fair, I wouldn't mind just calling it a day today here. Yeah, price is not really moving the way I want it. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment. What do you think of my positions and my trades that I took today? I would like to know your opinion. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.